Gopal Snacks Ltd, an FMCG company. Company has 25 years of experience in a variety of FMCG products like gathiya, snack pellets, namkeen, and more. They are the largest manufacturer of gathiya in India and the fourth largest manufacturer of papad. About 27% of the revenue is generated from gathiya, 27% from namkeen, and 46% from other products. Company markets and sells these products under its well-known brands Gopal Namkeen and Cristos. Gujarat is the core market of the company, which generates about 71% of the total revenue. The company was incorporated in 2009 and got public in 2024. They are based in Rajkot with more than 960 employees and 2,500 workers. Company has 3 manufacturing plants located in Rajkot, Modasa, and Nagpur, and 3 ancillary units with a production capacity of 4,10,154 metric tons per annum with 31% capacity utilization. The market cap of the company is 5,770 crore rupees and currently trading at 463 rupees per share. The company has a 8% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 68% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company offers more than 340 SKU, has access to more than 828 distributors, and domestic presence in more than 5 lakh retail touchpoints. The company has been improving its debt position over the years. As of H1 of fiscal year 25, they are almost debt-free. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 3 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Company gave the first interim dividend of rupees 1 per share despite getting listed just this year. Company exports to more than 9 countries with negligible export revenue and sells more than 82 lakh average packets per day. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.